Now you know what problem you're trying to solve. Next is positioning your brand. And really, this is starting to understand what makes you different than the competition. And that position will help you sell your products better. So there's a few questions that we're going to run through, and we'll do that again with Video School Online as an example. Question number 1 is, what makes you different? And please follow along with this as we're doing them, or pause the video, or after this video plays, do it for your own business. The answer that we have is that our courses are available to the world, so it's not just localized. Our courses are available for a low cost. Our courses are higher quality than the competition, and you'll learn as if you were being taught by a friend. So this differentiates us from different types of schools. So in traditional college, we're not being taught by the old professor who has been in the film industry for 50 years and may actually be a little outdated, or maybe isn't just as friendly or as approachable as someone like how we teach our courses. They're definitely available to the worldwide audience, anyone who has access to the internet. We try to make them higher quality than other online courses, but also just online tutorials like YouTube videos. And so those are some things that set us apart. The next question is, why do you do what you do? Why are you even doing this business? Maybe it's just to pass the time. Maybe it's just to make some money. But those aren't really good reasons. You should have a better core reason why you are running your business. And this can maybe tie into what we learned in the last lesson about why we're making the world a better place. For Video School Online, we teach so that others can enjoy a new hobby, and also so that others can pursue a new career or advance in their own career that they already have. Once you've answered those two questions, they will help you with your actual positioning statement. And that goes as follows. For the target customer who needs what, your product is a blank, it's a type of thing that does something, the statement of benefit, unlike another company or another type of business. And then you sort of wrap it up with your product is different because of what? Now that's really confusing, so let's just go through an example. So for Video School Online, it's for businesses and entrepreneurs, that's the target audience, who use visuals to sell their products. So that's a very specific audience right there. It's not just people who like creating visuals, not necessarily, even though we do accept those types of people in our courses. Video School Online is an online school, so that's the product type. You can be a landscape business, you could be a window cleaning business, you could be a social media marketing company, you can be a podcast host, you could be any type of business. That's what this is about. So Video School Online is an online school that helps people learn and improve visual skills. That's coming from the questions we answered. Unlike traditional schools, blogs, or YouTube tutorials. So that's our main competition in the big scheme of learning. Now, of course, we compete with other people who teach online courses, but really what we're trying to do is compete with the traditional schools, the blog articles, and people who just read blogs and watch YouTube videos. So our differentiation statement goes, Video School Online teaches hundreds of online courses to take you from absolute beginner to advanced mastery. So let's look at a few case studies and then you do this yourself. Take that structure for the positioning statement, answer the two questions before, and come up with that target audience and your differentiation. Put it all together.